Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use black flash and fade out effects in CapCut. First open CapCut, then import your video, then drag it to the timeline. To add the black flash effect, click on this effect option and search here black flash and add this effect into the video. From here you can control the speed of the effect like this. And now for the fade out effect, we have to use this keyframe. Click on the keyframe. And after some frame, again click on the keyframe. And drag the pointer to the end. Then decrease the speed of this effect to 0. Here is the preview. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.